love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's
first reduction formula, integral sin power nx dx. So let us take that as in. So in is equal to integral sin power nx dx. Okay, so here I am taking sin power nx as sin power n minus 1x into sin x dx. Okay, what I am doing means I am splitting this sin power n as sin power n minus 1 into sin x. Okay, now that is equal to, so integral of sin power n minus 1x into sin x dx. So let us take this sin power n minus 1x as f of x and sin x as g of x. So now f of x, so what is our value of f of x here? Sin power n minus 1x. So sin power n minus 1x into, now take the integral of second function, that is integral sin x dx. Okay, minus integral of, this formula is somewhat confusing, so be careful. First you have to take f of x, integral of second function, that is g of x, minus integral of, in the integration only you have to take differentiation of first function, that is d by dx of sin power n minus 1x. Again inside integral sin x dx, for this whole you have to take outside dx. Clear? Once again, f of x integral g of x dx minus integral of differentiation of first function, integration of second function with complete dx. Understood? So that is equal to sin power n minus 1x into integral sin x is nothing but minus cos x. Okay, integral sin x is minus cos x minus integral of, again d by dx of sin power n minus 1x means x power n, d by dx of x power n is n minus 1, that is n into x power n minus 1. So n minus 1 into sin power, n minus 1 is there already, minus 1. So minus 1 becomes minus 2. Sin power n minus 2x. Now again chain rule, no, again differentiation of sin x becomes cos x. Okay, again integral of sin x is minus cos x. For this whole you have to take dx. Understood? So that is equal to minus, so get this minus outside, minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x. Again minus of minus becomes plus. Okay, now get this n minus 1 outside, n minus 1 is a constant, so n minus 1 integral of sin power n minus 2x into cos x becomes cos square x dx. Okay, so once again minus outside, so minus sin power n minus 1 x into cos x. Okay, again minus of minus is plus, and n minus 1 is a constant, get that constant outside, then that becomes plus of n minus 1. Now you have to take integral of sin power n minus 2x into cos x becomes cos square x dx. Okay, now that is equal to, now write first function as it is, minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x. Okay, plus n minus 1 integral. Now write sin power n minus 2 also as it is, sin power n minus 2x into d by dx, cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. Okay, cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. So 1 minus sin square x into dx. So that is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x. Okay, now what you have to do means plus n minus 1 as it is, outside integral. Now sin power n minus 2x into 1 becomes sin power n minus 2x dx. Okay, again plus into minus becomes minus. Now again you have to take n minus 1 outside. Okay, so here my place is not sufficient, so I will write here minus n minus 1 down, minus n minus 1 integral. Now sin power n minus 2x into sin square x. Okay, a power m into a power n becomes a power m plus n. So n minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. Sin power nx. So sin power nx dx. Okay. Up to here everybody understood now? So now what you have to do means take this sin power n minus 2x. If integral sin power nx dx is equal to in, then integral sin power n minus 2x becomes what? In minus 2, right? So let us write here in is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2x becomes in minus 2 minus again n minus 1 integral sin power nx dx is nothing but in, correct? So let me write here in. Okay. Now here in is there, here also in term is there. So if I bring minus of n minus 1 here, so that becomes plus of n minus 1. So in plus n minus 1 into in is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 in minus 2. Okay. So now if I take in common outside, then in inside plus n minus 1 in 1 into 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Okay. So now plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled here also. So I am left with n into in. So in is equal to, so into n becomes by n. So minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n in minus 2. This is the reduction formula for sin power nx dx. So now let us do our next formula, that is cos power nx dx. Okay. So in is equal to integral cos power nx dx. Okay. Now what I am doing means I am writing this power n as n minus 1 into n. So n minus 1 plus 1. Okay. This then minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. N will remain. Like that I will write. See here. First of all, let us write cos power nx as integral cos power n minus 1x into cos x dx. Okay. So now let us do integral f of x into g of x dx. So that is equal to, so again cos power nx dx is equal to integral cos power n minus 1x into cos x dx. So that is equal to, first of all you have to write f of x as it is cos power n minus 1x integral of second function, that is integral cos x dx minus integral of, now we have to take differentiation of first function d by dx of cos power n minus 1x. Again take integral of second function integral cos x dx. For this whole we have to take dx outside. Understood? Once again d by dx, first f of x as it is integral of g of x dx minus integral of, inside you have to differentiate f of x, again integral g of x. For this whole we have to take dx. Clear? So that is equal to cos power n minus 1x integral cos x is sin x minus integral of, now you have to take chain rule, cos power n minus 1x means x power n, d by dx of x power n is n minus 1 into x power, that is cos power n minus 2x into, again d by dx of cos x is nothing but minus sin x. Okay. D by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x into, again integral of cos x is sin x. For this whole we have to take dx. Okay. Clear? So now again cos power n minus 1x into sin x minus, okay, let us take minus of minus becomes plus. Now you get n minus 1 outside, n minus 1 integral of cos power n minus 2x into sin x becomes sin square x dx. Okay, so that is equal to, now you have to take f of x, this one as it is. Now get n minus 1 outside, minus of minus becomes plus, n minus 1 is a constant, get outside, and you write cos power n minus 1x into sin x becomes sin square x. Up to here understood, no? So again that is equal to, now first term as it is, cos power n minus 1x into sin x, okay, again plus n minus 1 integral as it is, this one also same, cos power n minus 2x into, now this sin square x we have to write as 1 minus cos square x, okay, into dx. Clear? Now what we have to do means, we have to multiply cos power n minus 2 for both 1 and for also cos square x. So that is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1, okay, integral, now cos power n minus 2x into 1 becomes cos power n minus 2, same, right, cos power n minus 2x dx, again plus into minus, minus, again we have to take n minus 1 for this also, n minus 1 integral of, now cos power n minus 2x into cos square x, this becomes cos power n minus 2 into plus 2x, so minus 2 plus 2 becomes cancel, so we have left with cos power nx, so n minus 1 cos power nx dx, okay. So now up to here everybody understood, no? So that is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into, see here cos power nx we are taking as in, then cos power n minus 2x we can take as in minus 2, okay, in minus 2 minus of n minus 1, again integral cos power nx is what, in into in, okay. Now again let us take here in plus, okay, this is already in only, no, so this side in will be there. Now minus of n minus 1 in, if I bring this side minus becomes plus, so n minus 1 into in is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 in minus 2, okay. So now take in common, in into, here in if I take the outside then it becomes 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 in minus 2, okay. So now plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so I am left with in into n, so this into n becomes by n, so cos power n minus 1 x into sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. This is the reduction formula for integral cos power nx dx, okay. So this is our second reduction formula, that is integral cos power nx dx.